How to sync Microsoft OneDrive to your computer. This video will show you how to sync Microsoft OneDrive to your computer. Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud-based storage system that allows you to save all your files to the cloud without the need for carrying around flash drives or emailing files back and forth. The first thing you need to do is check to see if you are already signed into OneDrive. Take your mouse and go down to the notification tray and show the hidden icons. If you see what looks like a cloud grayed out with a slash through it, and the screen tip says Microsoft OneDrive not signed in, you are not signed into OneDrive. To sign in, we can either press the Windows key or take your mouse over and click the Windows icon in the lower left corner and begin to type OneDrive. We'll see the OneDrive app appears. We'll click that. It's going to take a second to load. Now we get to set up Microsoft OneDrive. You'll do first by entering your email address. Don't forget to put your full email address and then sign in. If you're at work and on the network, it should grab your password from your single sign-on. If not, you will have to enter your password. Next, it's going to show us our OneDrive folder. We're going to see that in our hard drive, it created a OneDrive folder for us for the Community College of Beaver County. You can change that location, but I recommend leaving it default. I'm going to go and click Next. Now you can choose what folders you would like to automatically back up to OneDrive. If you're someone who likes to save a lot of stuff to your desktop, I'd highly recommend leaving desktop. And I always recommend syncing the Documents folder and your Pictures folder to OneDrive. So I'm going to go ahead and select all three. Notice each one has a blue check mark signifying that I have selected that. And I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. So it'll take a few seconds to set up our backup. And now it's going to walk us through a short preview of OneDrive. It talks about how we can share files and folders. So what's nice about this is if you create some content for your Writing 101 class and want to share it with one of your colleagues who's also teaching in that class, you can simply share the folder or the files, eliminating the need to email or exchange flash drives. Here it demonstrates that your files are ready for you on demand. And you can see there's a couple icons that you may want to familiarize yourself with. When you see a document with a little cloud in the corner, it means that this is an online only file. Typically these are extremely large files. A green circle with a green check mark in the middle is on this device. That means the file is living on your device. And a full green circle with a white check mark means that it's always available. So you can get this file online or offline. If you'd like, you can get the mobile app so you can control your OneDrive files from your cell phone or your tablet. This does come in handy. Well, for now, I'll click Later. And now OneDrive is ready to go, and you can click Open My OneDrive folder. And now we can see that I have OneDrive, Community College of Beaver County. I can click on that folder. I can see that right now I am syncing my desktop, my documents, and my pictures. At this point, I can continue using those, or I can add more files and folders. I can add a file by clicking the New Folder at the top of the screen, or by pressing Control-Shift and N on my keyboard, or I can right-click and go to New Folder. From this point out, I can create folders in the structure that I would create folders on any other device. Now, instead of dragging or copying files to a flash drive located in the navigation pane, you simply can bring them to your OneDrive. Also, when working in Microsoft applications like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, you can save as directly to your OneDrive. I hope this helps a little bit with file management. If you have any questions, as always, please send me an email and I'll be glad to help you out. As always, thanks for learning with us. If you like this content, please click like and subscribe. If there's other content you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments for us and we'll do our best to get those videos made quickly.